Hi, welcome back. My name is Majd Dalgamdi, and today I'm going to explain how to analyze and process data using Apache Hive, which is one of the common database query tool. So let's get started. I started by going to this website and downloaded both files, the drivers and timesheet. You can go to this link here and you will be able to download both files. So as you can see here, both files are already downloaded here, the drivers and timesheet, and don't worry about this one right now, we're not gonna be using it. Now let's go to Hive directory and we will be creating new Hive query. So let's go to query editors and Hive. Then we'll be creating a new file. I will name Hive drivers. As you can see, Hive drivers. Then I will upload our files. This is drivers file and the second one is timesheet file. After I uploaded both files, I need to go to query editors and Hive, here where we can upload our data one by one, and I will start by using this query. I will create the temporary table, and as you can see, this table is called temp drivers. Let's execute it. Success. Let's look at it. It has nothing until now. So basically we're gonna fill this table through writing queries in this page. Next, I'll be loading drivers data into our temp drivers, which we have just created. Let's execute it. Success. Alright, now let's refresh this one and we will take a look into our data. Now we will have the data here, but as you can see, it's not organized. Let's keep going with the rest of our queries. Now we will create a new table and we will call that drivers. In this table we will extract our data, and we will be having 6 columns, as you can see here: the ID, name, SSN, location, certified, and wage plan. Let's execute it. Sorry, I executed it twice. Now let's refresh this and we're going to look at the drivers table. So it has nothing. Now we're gonna insert the data in it. So let's execute it. It's gonna take a little bit of time. Alright, it succeeded. Let's refresh this and take a look into our data. So as you can see here, our data is well organized. Now again, after we have created our drivers table, we will do the same thing with timesheet table. So let's copy and paste our table. We will start by creating a table which called temp timesheet. Let's execute it. Succeed. And we have created it here. So as we did before, it has nothing, it's empty. Now we will load our data into our table which we have just created. Let's execute it. We'll give it some time. Alright, let's take a look at it. We have our data in it. After that we will create a new table which is called timesheet, and in this table we'll have 4 columns: the ID, week, hours logged, and miles logged. Let's execute it. Success. Refresh this one. This is our timesheet, the new table, and as you can see, basically it's the same thing. It's empty, and we will insert the data in it. Let's execute this one. It succeed. So let's refresh this one and go to our timesheet table. And as you can see, we have our table which is organized. Now we will be running 2 additional queries. The first query will be grouping our data by driver ID to find the some hours and some miles. It will start by grouping our data into driver ID, then it will sum the number of hours and miles. Let's execute it. Alright, now it succeed, And here is our result. As you can see, the driver ID and the sum of hours and sum of miles. Finally, we will be grouping our two tables, and for that we will be having 4 columns: the ID, name, number of hours, and finally the number of miles. So let's execute this query and see what output we will have. Alright, our query is succeeded, and let's go to the results. As I told you, we have the ID, name, total hours, and total miles. I hope you enjoyed my explanation, and thank you so much.